Well, good morning to the world. I do know now early because it's going to be a very packed full day for me, for life. So anyway, last week was an extra long session, a very good session. So today I'm going to make it up by having an extra short session. It is an extremely important session because it's at the crux of my one God, one religion. So today's lecture is 26 in the series. It's called Faith Drives and Facts Direct. So what do I mean by that? Obviously, faith is the driving force of all religion, and I understand that now, and I actually appreciate that now. In fact, every morning I get up saying that, you know what, my mission is designed to really prove God, because God is important in our modern life. So, as the saying goes, as you all know, if Allah is not going to move to a mountain, you have to move the mountain to Allah. So, in that respect, I am taking the science that was developed that I used to deny God, I am now going to use to in support of God. So, it was a painful process for me. I did not believe in the facts that I even discovered for myself. But now I come to that realization that both faith and fact, like the yin yang, the twin universe that led me to God, is actually two opposite sides of this duality of our existence. And both is needed, but both is complementary. So faith makes me get up out of bed each morning saying, this is my mission goal. This is what I'm doing. So that is what I mean by faith drives me. It literally drives me to get out of bed, to uh, complete my divine mission. Whether you believe that or not, it doesn't matter. That's what faith for me does, and it does. And now I've come to that realization that's what faith does for everyone else as well. But it's just the facts that directs me along the way. So the analogy is I get into my car because of the faith, because I know I have a mission to get from A to B. But the fact is my GPS is what I entered into the GPS that guides me from A to B. Okay. So that is what I mean by today's lecture. Faith drives and facts direct. And in future lectures, I'll spend more time in detailing both those very extremely important aspects of reality, of life, and of this new world that is coming. Amen.